guys, so today I'm gonna be playing like a little like dinosaur run. So yeah, don't mind me, like I'll probably check like a lot if it's recording during this. So please don't mind that because it's gonna be happening quite a lot. So yeah. Also, this is a voiceover, and I haven't like fully went over the footage, the like screen recording yet. So if I sound a little confused, that's because of that. Okay. I'm just walking. I'm not really doing anything in this run, to be honest. And look, I found an extraction candy. I'm so awkward. Research. Also, this is like a Roger run because I need to get Sprout, but Sprout do not spawn like at all. So this was a fail of like a round. Not many people died. Like more towards the end, people started to die. Okay. Who has last machine? What is happening? Oh, there. Okay. Sorry if I'm like really silent. I just don't know what to say because like it sounds like I'm actually currently speaking. Like it's not like as in I'm in the game currently playing. Also, guys, I am playing on an iPad here, so like that's why it just seems a little like I did like blah 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 blah. Just because I'm playing on an iPad, so yeah, you can even see me like typing and stuff, and I have really boring keyboard. I'm so sorry. But yeah, because I don't have the like computer, I have like a PC or anything. But like I do have a PS4. I don't think I can play Roblox though, so I am on an iPad. Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna like, oh, who am I being chased by? I don't forgot. Bro, oh my god. I just got caught by Classroom. I get Classroom like every single floor, I swear. Research. What happened to our distractor? I swear we had a distractor in this room. I swear. Okay. Oh my god, I got a badge. I didn't even realize that. Slay. Oh, and I ran too fast. Oh, I was just like checking that. My stats. I'm trying to master Roger, like before the end of this month. I'm trying to get Sprout before the end of this year because we all know that I do not play Roblox or Demon's World every single freaking day. So I of course won't be like grinding to get Sprout because I literally barely ever get Sprout in my runs. Like I know he's a main, so it's like rare, but I did not get any mains during this run, and that was so annoying. And then yeah, the people in this round were really nice. Like you just saw that Rectony just how to say her name? I forgot. Just give me the extracting thing. I really like to ask to extract like once per run because I don't want to seem like I'm just like, can I extract? Can I extract? Can I extract? Let me extract. So yeah. I was like glitching here, so don't mind me, but I did vote for Walkist. For anyone who's wondering. I don't know who voted for. They changed their mind. Okay. Let's do the ASMR, guys. That's my beats! I don't know what to say. What do I say? Okay, that was my closes. Actually, I got pretty far this round, which I am just so proud of. The only reason why I don't like play like Dance Sport every single flippin' second of my life is because it does get a little bit repetitive when you don't get no mains, like especially if you don't get V in the whole entire run. Because as we know, V is just someone that's just like, it just really adds some I don't know what I just did. in the room. Also, I do talk to like my dad while doing this. I'm like talking to him. So, like, that's what I was doing so bad and not doing like any machines. I don't know why I wasn't doing any machines. I think it was because that. I'm not quite sure. This recording is like a week ago. So, yeah. Oh my god, I forgot Blitzen was here. Thank goodness you're here. I imagine it sound like that. I just had a babysit Blitzen. I like babysitting Blitzen because it just locally just makes me feel like I have a purpose. At the times when I tried to babysit Blitzen, he like sometimes like the elevator comes, like the elevator's like and they try to leave. Then Blitzen's like, oh my god, don't leave me! No, don't leave! So then I like because I was babysitting him, I got and I'm like, oh my god! That's why I am like waiting to get a main because they only have 2 hearts and I die really easily. Oh look, it's me typing. JJ. Oh my god. I said oops. I'm not quite sure why I said oops. Why did I do that? Guys, why did I do that? Sorry this recording is so long. I'm bored here too because I'm just pressing my finger on this button. It's going to take me so long. Okay. Sorry for that little pause there. I had to take a break to my finger. So yeah. Oh my god, we're on floor 4. Floor 4. I don't like saying that, guys. No one's gonna watch this. I don't really know because this is like 30 minutes of like me just talking about random stuff where you see me playing Danny's World as Roger in the back. It's probably gonna be really hard to hear me, so please turn your volume up. Yeah. Guys, what sports do you do? Q&A. Q&A? Oh no, yeah, Q&A. I am the Q though. So I'm the Q. What kind of sports do you guys play? Or do you even play any sports? Tell me what sports you play. Oh my god, I'm doing the machine for once. What sports you guys play? If you don't play any sports, tell me what sport you want to play. Or like tell me why you don't play sports. Because I do gymnastics and I do volleyball. But I more do gymnastics more than volleyball. Because volleyball I just do like the camps for volleyball and stuff. Have y'all also been seeing like the oh there goes gravity kind of things, like step back to reality, oh there goes gravity, like that trend all over your flipping for your page? It's so annoying. What was that noise I just made? It's really annoying because every single time I just like see this I'm like, oh my god, stop. It's just annoying. But then like that sound is from Eminem like song, but they just like change the voice to change like the background music, like oh let's step back to reality, oh there goes gravity. I hate it. It's so annoying. Guys, I don't know what to talk about. My finger hurts. Oh my goodness. We are only like 8 minutes in this video. I don't want to stop talking because I know if I stop talking it's just going to be a blah blah blah. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna like leave. I think we're just gonna have some music now. Because I cannot stand talking. So yeah. Whatever music was playing on in the background while you're listening to me talk, it's now gonna only be there because I am so bored of just recording. So bye guys!